Dodge Ram engine cranks but will not start refers to when the Dodge Ram truck's crankshaft rotates but fails to start the motor. This video will detail the 10 reasons why a Dodge Ram will crank but won't start the engine. Keep in mind this information is specific to the 2001 through 2008 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 models. Before we get into the reasons why your Dodge Ram will crank over but fail to turn on the engine, I highly suggest you download the factory service manual. You can instantly download the factory repair manual at 911manual.com. So basically you can just go to the website and then click on where it says truck manuals, and then just download the correct repair manual for your Dodge Ram truck. The download repair manuals cover every aspect of repair, from basic maintenance to complete engine overhaul. They also show you how to fix everything discussed in this video. Okay, so if your Dodge Ram engine cranks but will not start, check for one or more of the following possible malfunctions. Number 1, no spark. Check for spark. To understand how to do this, refer to electrical ignition, control, description, and testing in the download repair manual. Number 2, no fuel. Perform a fuel pressure test, and if necessary, inspect fuel injectors and drive circuits. To understand how to do this, refer to system fuel delivery fuel pump diagnosis and testing in the download repair manual. Number 3, low or no engine compression. Perform a cylinder compression pressure test. Refer to engine diagnosis and testing in the download repair manual for step-by-step procedures on how to test the compression. Number 4, weak battery. Charge or replace battery as necessary. Number 5, corroded or loose battery connections. Clean and tighten battery connections. Apply a coat of light mineral grease to the terminals. Number 6, faulty starter. Refer to electrical starting diagnosis and testing in the download repair manual, as it will show you how to test the starter. Number 7, faulty coil or control unit. Refer to electrical ignition, control ignition, coil removal in the repair manual for procedures on how to remove the part and install a new part. Number 8, incorrect spark plug gap. Refer to electrical ignition, control spark plug checking, gapping, cleaning, and replacement in the repair manual. Number 9, dirt or water in the fuel system. Clean fuel system and replace fuel filter. Number 10, faulty fuel pump, relay, or wiring. Repair or replace components as necessary. Anyway, those are the 10 reasons why a Dodge Ram engine will crank but not start. I hope you found this helpful, and as mentioned before, always use the download factory repair manual when attempting to service or repair your truck.